So this was a really big day for the old Grackinator because she woke up and she was just browsing on her phone and she saw something that was so monumental. She had to rush and get ready on a bank holiday Monday at 7 AM. I know, 7 AM. Off she went. I also used this perfume, which is my last few drops from New York, and I miss it so much. You know when you put a perfume on and it just takes you back to that very moment, and I'm all out of it and I'm really sad, but it's fine, we get over it. But it's just such a good smell. It takes me right back to New York. Anyway, then I put on the deodorant, did a little bit of moisturiser. I then asked Dad if he wanted something from the location of the place that I'm about to go to. Got ready, got in the car, which I actually love doing at the moment. I just love being in my car, and off we went on an adventure. Okay, so never in my life have I ever been to Starbucks when it is this empty. Normally this car park, you know, in these vlogs, you've seen, this car park is rammed and I've had to like circulate for a car parking space. There are 3 cars in the vicinity. 3 cars, people. This is wild. I just thought I would explain. So I don't know if you've been on my channel before, but basically last year there was a whole situation where I was hunting for one of those Starbucks cups, but for some reason every Starbucks I went into, they didn't have them. Now I could have just gotten said normal cup, but I had my heart, I'm one of those people that if I have my heart set on something, I'm getting that and I'm not giving up, and I will get that, and I did get it. I mean, it did take getting all the way to New York to get one, but we did get it. Now, I have been sent multiple times the new colour changing cups that Starbucks have brought out, and the confetti one. I think I actually prefer the confetti one to the colour changing one. Now, I have word that these are available in the UK stores, because a lot of the time UK stores literally don't do fun ones and they don't do massive ones. They literally just do, no offence, Starbucks UK, boring Starbucks cups. It's really annoying. Why can't they jazz it up? When I got a message from a viewer saying they work in Starbucks and they definitely have them, Starbucks UK, I thought I'm going to shoot my shot, and these keep selling out from TikToks that I've seen. So I'm going to go in there now, fingers crossed they have them, because I'm not having a redo of last year where I had to hunt in every flipping Starbucks store. So, and also this is like the only Starbucks near me that is open, and I'm not about to travel around because that defeats the whole purpose. So we're gonna go in there now. Dad also wants a cinnamon bun, so let's go and see. So it's safe to say that that was a different experience than what I thought. I thought, my friend went to Cafe Nero and she told me it was like a 1 in, 1 out, follow the queue kind of situation, but it was different from that. I had to download the app, get an account, pay on the account. It was quite a lot. We did it, we got it. Well, we didn't get it, we got Dad his cinnamon swirl. It didn't have the cups, and I asked the man, which is totally understandable because it seems very different from how it is in all the stores in America. But I went to ask him and he was like, yeah, we don't know what promotions, obviously, because at the moment, and I totally get that. So I guess we're just gonna go home. Whoa! I think the car knew that it wanted to go home. Let's go home, carry on the day. At least I know I haven't missed it in the UK. At least I know they're not all sold out. I just don't think they've come to the UK. Like, Starbucks UK! What is wrong with your cup game? Seriously. Now I have to work out what I want. Oh! Should I make pancakes, everyone? Happy?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Are you going to sit outside on the table there?
I might do, yeah.
Several days later. Hey kids, so how are we doing? What is occurring? I've just got on delivery, which Mum is so excited for, aren't you?
Very excited.
We all know that Mum is a lover.
I am a lover of Earl Grey.
Yeah,
I'll
sorry.
say it for you. However, I have literally just made myself a cup of tea.
Okay.
Well, that's alright, you can have it anytime. So the funny story with this is, for the food, where's my face? Hello. A few weeks ago I bought this from this tea company, and I've bought stuff from this tea company before, and then they messaged me on Instagram literally just after I bought the thing, and were like, would you like some bits from us? And specifically they said some Earl Grey for Mother Boo.
Very exciting, my favourite tea.
Oh my gosh! They've even got, do you remember they demoed that for Dad's root beer?
Oh yeah.
The cold. They had a root beer tea, and Mum was like, I'm not going to get that, we'll just stick with the tea. But now we've got one! And you won't believe it. What colour is it?
Red.
It's red and everything. Oh my gosh, it's actually glass.
Yeah, I do remember that.
And it's got like a little strainer thing in there. That already is fantastic. Look at that.
Nice.
You put this tea, that is...
It was really nice. We tried. What flavour did we try?
There's so much in here! That's the box that I bought for our friend! Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what. Here we've got the Cheer Me Up tea box,
Dishwasher proof.
which I actually gave to one of our friends.
It's a little card for you to colour in, Grace. You have a little bit of colouring.
So they've just launched a Battle of the Peaches. Oh wow! Different peach iced tea. They've got peach cobbler, peach melba, blueberry and peach and orange, peach julep, peach soda.
Blueberry and peach.
That's the one
really nice.
they've given. I wanted Jesse to try this. He literally said the other day how he loves lemon and ginger at the moment. The digester, peach julep, peach cobbler, peach melba, peach and orange, peach soda, blueberry and peach. Here we've got a Great British Cuppa, gingerbread chai, Earl Grey creme. There's chocolate! They've made a chocolate. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Why have I got this? I don't deserve this. This is very kind of them. Oh, look at that! That is so cute!
That is a very cute bag.
Pow! What a peach of me.
What a peach of me. It's the one I wanted to try so bad. Strawberry lemonade. Loads of like the tea bags that you infuse. Box of birthday tea. And a little spoon. 1 cup of perfect tea. That is so kind. And they're giving me a discount code for you. Well, they said friends or family, but I said, can I give it to my viewers as well? So you guys are my friends or family. So I'll put that on screen now. Thank you so much, Bluebird Tea Company. Okay, so I'm gonna brew my first one, which is the blueberry and peach. I am so excited. Look how pretty it looks in there. It looks like confetti. Okay, so I've just, you can see this sunburn. I've just made one of the cold brew teas. Doing some lemon, garlic, rosemary, veg with some olive oil, which I'm gonna roast. I went for my walk because I had to drop off my Urban Outfitters parcel. Basically, there was a thought conundrum with my parcel. I got some random person's delivery, and then the top that I actually wanted had got out of stock. But it's fine, we go over it, we move on. Now what I'm gonna do, basically I have always put off deleting Facebook because it has so many photos of memories throughout the years, and I just don't want to lose all those photos because it's like a massive photo album. And I'd say from about the age of 17 I've printed out all of those pictures. But from 17 under, I don't have any of the pictures. And I print screened them all the other day and I put them on my computer. And I was just about to download them on this thing, this terabyte thing. But I can't find the lead. It's so annoying that everything in the world has a different lead. Can't there just be like a universal lead for everything? I know that would never work because companies like to profit off of you. I feel like it's somewhere in my wardrobe. But I'm not gonna lie, my wardrobe is chaotic to say. Probably an understatement of the century. My wardrobe is absolute... Oh, hang on. No, that used to have my label. I'm gonna find this. I'm determined. I'm like, come on, Grace. I really would love to do a sports day. Oh, that's so sad. And because obviously I volunteered at school, I probably would have gone to the sports day this year. Being like a extra helping hand. So I found the cord. Oh my gosh. There's all here. So I just need to see them. What the heck? Oh, they are still all hit. 2017! 3 years ago! Strap. I'm gonna cry. So I'm currently sorting through all the pictures. I categorised them ages ago and it's so satisfying having all of the different categories of like, oh, it just makes me so happy. Also, Florida. What I do to go back there. Honestly. And then once I've done this, I'm going to delete my Facebook forever. Because it's just there, and it literally adds nothing to my life, and I don't go on it, but then it's just still there. I just feel like it'd be so much easier to delete it. One less thing to contend with in distraction. There are so many pictures on here of just random food that I've eaten, and this one, I want this so bad right now, a burrito bowl. I love it so much. I mean this in words of wisdom as well though. Downloaded all the photos. I'm really nervous to delete it. I think it's because I'm a photo hoarder and I'm worried I haven't got one. But at the end of the day, they're just photos. When I was younger, we literally have no pictures from when I was younger. I probably have I don't know, 30 max. That's absolute max of pictures from me 10 and under. Now I just want all the photos. I mean, that freaks me out. That one, your profile photos and everything you've... Like, what if there's something on there that I still want? Why am I such a drama queen and making such a big deal out of this? Da, 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 da. Why do I feel like so emotional about this? It's literally, well, I keep saying it's irrelevant, but it actually does hold a lot of memories, and it's kind of like a virtual diary of my life. Me being like, I just went to drop something off to our friends, obviously social distance. On my way to my friends, met a viewer who was driving by, and she was really lovely and stopped and said hey. Also, she was so tanned it made me want to cry. She was so, her skin was glorious, so smooth, so glowy. So if that was you, I always forget to ask for people's names, I'm so sorry. Several days later. So we just got a fun delivery from Gardener's Cookies, and they actually sent in the Candy Conscious Candy Company package, they had sent some biscuits and they were so good. None of my family got to try it because I ate it. But they've sent me something. What have we got in here? Oh, cute! Life is better with cookies. Oh, fun! How cute is that?
So cute.
Life is better with cookies. They're literally so yummy, and I think you can personalise them. I'm not sure.
Is that vegan?
Yeah, they're vegan.
Let's have a look.
This is right up Jesse's street, isn't it? He loves shortbread biscuits. I was actually going to send him some.
It's very cute with the sprinkles around the edge.
It is a nice touch, isn't it? Thanks, the Gardener's team. With a little touch. Look at all this
tote bag.
Basically you have some biscoff, which I've always wanted to do like a biscoff recipe. I did a biscoff cake once and I put the biscuits in the top bit, but the biscuits actually went soggy, so I'm not going to put biscuits in what I'm about to make. I'm just going to use the spread, and it is a biscoff blondie situation. Now this, they've put white chocolate in, but actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to add dark chocolate chips, because I've just found, oh no, I do have white chocolate. Oh my gosh, seriously, it looks absolutely incredible. I'm so excited. I melted my butter and the 2 sugars, and mine really doesn't look like hers. I don't know why mine doesn't look like hers, but I'm going to carry on. I've added the eggs and it still doesn't look the same. This smells incredible, and I think we've brought it together. Now she topped it off with biscoff biscuits, but I think I'm going to top mine off with some Bourneville buttons and a little swirl of the biscoff, which is what she did. But I don't have that much left. Literally used it all up, but we're going to do that anyway. How good does that look? It took so long in the oven. I don't know why. It is a thick boy. Oh no, it doesn't look good. Do you know what it is? I've just never found a good white chocolate. I find that the dairy-free white chocolate just melts, and then because it's high sugar content, it changes the texture of whatever you're making, and it just doesn't work. Yeah, so what happens with the white chocolate is, it like caramelizes. Can you see that? Quite good. There you go. This is what it looks like inside. Hey guys, so I'm about to go to Costco, and it's really weird because I would normally go to Costco. Obviously, if you have a Costco card, you can have 2 people with you. Anytime I go, I invite one of my friends or something just to have fun. But it's going to be the first time I'm going by myself in a long time. I haven't been this far away for a very long time. Like, I've literally stayed in the area. It's not that far away even. It's like 25 minutes. But I just like to shake up my daily. So I needed to go to the supermarket, and I was like, why don't I make an experience out of it? Let's go to Costco. I'm here and there's not even a queue. I am so gassed to be here. Right, let's go. Guys, when I say, right, okay, so normally when people go, when like vloggers or influencers or whatever, they go on holiday, they'll be like, oh, I just really needed some away time, I needed some alone time, so I didn't vlog because I just wanted some time for myself. Now I feel like I just had that in Costco. Like, when I tell you that was my holiday, that was an out-of-body experience. I had the best time. I just think because I've been used to Sainsbury's and Tesco's, to go somewhere different and to be back in a place I love just felt like the biggest treat. And I think we already know how Costco makes me feel, but to be back at Costco after what, like 10 weeks where I haven't been able to go anywhere else, I just can't say how grateful I am. I've had the best time. I can't stress enough how fantastic there was. There was no queue getting in there. Didn't even have to queue to pay. Normally you always have to queue to pay, so that was a real bonus. The one drawback is that they didn't have the main thing that I went for, which was my chocolate chips that I love. It's fine, we get over it, because when I tell you, that was almost like going to the Maldives, and well, I've never been to the Maldives, so I can't compare it. But in my eyes, that was exceptional. I genuinely am just gonna revel in that. And I'm on a high. I just feel like I could shout at how that was exceptional. I've had the best time. Exquisite. Genuinely was so much fun. Like, I just had the best time. I love supermarkets so much. And it just makes me more excited because I kept, before COVID happened, I was like planning an adventure to America. And then COVID happened and I couldn't. And I was planning on like going to Trader Joe's and just had like a list of all these foods I wanted to try. But that's kind of filled a hole. Just loved it. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed that, peace out, punks.